GH meeting at the Abnabiti. Na atipa de bia mene no echeche enkomo director Ben Bruce said de bia mu no de bia no de ne phone so sa me kase is kasema o say ne no kre in is kasem ade bia ne phone no de osini tras sa de na ese wo hwe niema enko here somewhere a call so during the weekend United Showbiz and somewhere call so any same rant 25 so ni bad crowd was 50 na the thing say youth no and I say young guys very 25 and omogwera UTV na omokohwehwe kwami Aplus na chese so mo be buno so mo be tiano so mo be yede obia ni nyina na say almost kwami Aplus edidi president atem odidi vice atem any NPP for nyina atem it is sad dia and your mo ba no mo ba be catch and say enye sa eni ya de na so mo dane show no political show dia na eni omo mpene ana so mo betina mu bi na omo so aye discussion bi because mo political show dia eni omo so omo ye into politics na eno NHS said omo ko na family plus eni ho na Aplus buy na ese ni bu afu yie a enya asem ketwa ni nyina ne se wo se and let's he say and no and a Morris Ampao and a lawyer Morris Ampao when he had a cabaret for education come then someone walking in and they say omo a crime so be di obiatem na usu Bempah or no lawyer Morris Ampao ne client it's where did attempt there na wo ho kwan say omre kwami Aplus any UTV eco courts and as some di omugina emra enim enti mu me ekotie video no na ekotie in someone Morris lawyer Ampa one adaka reference for education ko mo kan emra ye ba e den ko education no ebe to aso
no so that we are not suing media because of that people we are suing because they gave Aplus platform to insult and defame my client. Okay, UTV. United Showbiz soon okay say insult, okay, idiot, stupid. That was no attraction.
In fact, you know, I hear insults like stupid.
You know. No, I'm not talking about the letter.
Matthias, and I'm person who educated me kakra. Say when you insult somebody stupid, idiot, what crime does it constitute?
Okay, any crime. It's civil wrong.
It is civil wrong, no?
Yes, civil wrong. Say crime man can be report of police. If it's a crime to insult, go and read the Taba Offensive Act. Go and read it.
It is a crime to insult.
Yes. Offensive conduct.
It is offensive conduct. At the end, young report to my police.
Debbie, say, I'm sorry, and I don't know. So when we did law, what do you say? One conduct can constitute two offense. For example, assault. We have criminal assault and we have civil assault. It is who did you be at the person can decide to report you to the police, for the police to take about matter, and then you can go to civil court for you to take remedy in defamation.
It is this time, no. I despite media. On fanu who soon say any letter.
What do you know at all?
It is just Aplus.
It is the
displaying
Aplus, no. You Aplus, no, sitting on their platform. ODD me client at them. Everything that omen to me. And a disclaimer. And catch Aplus, please. These words are so harsh. Also, only her. Only her. If you don't insult him. You can and you can say whatever you want, but for you to use those words, Miss Vito and UTV and apology. If as a bank or around, so somebody class kind of more apologizing and more disclaimer fine. But if no disclaimer, that you consent, like you like it. You like it.
It
so you play the music.
Iti neche se si ano YouTube mfom so a wo kan no se obi ka bibi se no ya menanka no mfom so ben anase aya so twe ben na beka se court mfantwe YouTube.
Oh sir, yeah, man, they say, who are we responsible for spreading defamation matter? I mean, you are guilty, you are liable like the same way with the internal. They jointly and separately. TNG 10 million Ghana cedis. Aplus in YouTube for me, and I'm also the music. We are a tom station. I just like you the way and the network I made the court.
I know to say a tolerance and a year that we should tolerate each other.
You don't listen to me. I don't only say me a part of the fight media. I'm part of you. You can't. That story cannot be told without lawyer power. I've been a regular panelist for United for what they say almost 10 novella program headed by Amakuma Kuma for almost 3 years. Me Kumchacha Kazalutot Emma Ukra and Absukra Marangiti Urefi yes and two Ubano law program now for the TK you know any for the if I am I'm a regular analyst. Sorry, show legal issues of framing. For Kwame despite every Christmas day, every Christmas day. Last time we was Humo airport or 7 per 50 million finance paradox. I'm a man by I'm a paradox 50 million. But this is the body. Which I say, you know, me presentation but me a principle. Me a very principle. But Ubana, you trust in a Casa. I don't have a good because me, I just want to prove a point to Aplus. But apart to the man euro. Medical for the first one. In the second one, so you have a circle. But UTV, I can always pardon them. The Kai very so constant matter, no. Me pardon, for the Kwame despite any KK support. Because they were the first, they should have been the first second respondent. But Misheda removed their name and then I brought in UTV technically for the court to forgive them. Because I can't look in the face of Kwame despite and refuse to support. The same with when they say ET. I don't like what I'm doing, but as a professional lawyer, but if UTV decide to, I might write to them if they do the needful and they make you move song.
As a lawyer to Bempah, are you able to tell the court to say, oh, at the end of the day, try some resolve between the two? Na Aplus was not amenable to the resolution. And nun take them face the court to pay the bit me a resolve.
Aplus is not amenable because the conduct. So the you be at the end of panel, I bet you say, oh, retract here. Upa, you be me retract it. But who corner and yet the same station when you zoom station just early this morning when there's Angel TV led by a question of FIFA more damage at other cow United Showbiz no so that's on your beer and I even attracting to say our boys a bit more from different angles some about this time kura truly ambitions because we're listening to the trendy start this last time he will come hard at home to Bempah with boxer boys we are armed. That's what he said. So me I'm scared. I'm scared. Such a character. Hey, tell me to be a plus and call but that court never did answer my mind. But I'm prepared to if UTV come and then they sit down with us and then we'll resolve the issue. Then we can withdraw their name from the suit. But as about we are in the process of preparing. Japanese by next week court to sue.
Lawyer, and
yes, sir.
See, Nina Munuse, A plus there. You have firm instructions from
And the same by UTV there. Like I said, the same patrol station and perspective too much. The love is too much, you know. I don't have to make a into the actually be found.
Okay. And the year, I don't know why.
Video no and I say audio no any akwakuti aba more example there no okasa ye hu ni but adaka different pound dey say or life just say ye hu ni into video and audio na ye tie some more example kana na say ni nyina no any yaten won ka me ho ebusia na me ma director Bruce Akwaba na ye fa competition no and toss director Akwaba bia boko
watch it.
What's a lawyer more example somehow? What's that did you crime? Ampa.
Which I would say for who will be a little great crime?
Some
anonymous.
Me, you say,
your friend winking.
A crime.
Yeah, a crime to be
offensive.
Because you know my friend will be bullied on it.
Hey.
The laws in there are lots of laws that we don't know. And you say the respecter is not the law doesn't respect you because you don't know the law. You need to know the law. In some my yobi, some new because I'm in such extension. Some a boo appear to me. The man said, you need to know.
What in some walk I say, Family Plus Eka says stupid. You should worse be stupid. Nonsense name. Your friend is idiot, me and dear. You are stupid, you are idiots. Nana or expect Sanka host and that's what we ever so. But I yes, I need the nurse or the Family Plus. Did you have a case?
Yes, because it means even the radio station or TV station didn't respect their audience. Me why having to make her and send me out of order, but you are direct retract. Because Sabi, she for penny 4 at 3, you'll be or mind you would send me almost. It is a whole car send me. Now one can hear say to me at 10 or as in your trust a church. Or can stupid, can foolish, can nonsense. You defame me. Practice a meaning answer. Every so long answer say it is some of kind of what about a murmur a crime. Tinia lawyer for Canada, a human, a lawyer, and told him exactly what he say. Adaka bread, also a lawyer, so he knows what he's talking about. By being a host, you need to let the audience understand what he's saying. Yeah, baby, and Yanipa. Ghana na SSI for Obijina radio so no are you bisa.
Na so family can say if a year and the schools to Bempah.
And no cry no, you see you are using the word if, which means you are not even 100% sure. Meanwhile you gone to the extent of insulting him and telling him say me so as foolish boy. And two things. You are not even sure if it's him. But you went on to insult him. While you have an additional beef with him before I deal with CA, it means your intentions are not good. It's near lawyer they can take him on. Yeah, you're taking on the two mention.
Nasa Katem did in some uncle for air come up and say, you can't be a way before I tell you, dear, any a buyer what is here, and you're not a noble penny did that one. Neither no room the yanchi. Not Family Plus any question.
Sir, we ain't BB. Now he decided not to pursue her. And me, I have personal decision. And yes, I never cry more. But I decided say I won't pursue it. But because I pursue her, then it becomes a crime. It's a crime is when it's being reported. A case is being reported. It's not a crime because you can do something to me, make us so, and you are going to say something. Once I work can integrity as a person. You are for you to tell somebody you are foolish. It means you've defamed him, you've injured his what? Reputation. And that needs to be what? Clarified in courts. So now kind of does it even have consequences on my image? Because of being I call it now. We are young, so I stop it. You defend me. It's as much as on your opinion. You say, Miss on your opinion, talk about issues. Don't talk about personalities. Talk about issues. If you are Matisse, yes, on a year, the 1 year. Because the way Sabe Otiani the beer one, it means that I can go with that. But when you go to the extent of insulting me personality, no, I can't go with that. It's normally it's time people own up and be responsible for what they say. Because your member, they say things that they don't even know what they're saying. Or kind of try not one baby. Or say I so be no. But you'll be every word is important to you. And you do Bempah sure. Say yeah, especially the political class, they need to stop because your money is here. And so back at your foolish back. Because what you said, politician be a catch will be said like foolish man. So it's not only like you are protecting the sanctity of our society, but even you are protecting our children. It's obia there, you need to take the person on. That's it.
Who is saying some of family plus a kind of fool, and I said, free said, you panic too much. And I said, when I know it was sour, it's no man warning, sir.
You see, Aplus will be a he feels that everything he does is right. On your feels so be wrong, on one right. What to take paper on air crime. Paper not to tea. If you've read it,
how is it a crime?
Oh, what did it mean to tell me that my trauma be? My trauma, Aplus, my trauma at the station. Station, no, they didn't tear it out. You, the panelists, you have no right to tear the paper out, no matter how peeved you are. You can respond to me, also in writing.
Say paper tear, and the boys, about.
And what I make, I said. It's Aplus no cause idea winning, but he's not even seeing it. So what he did was incredible. Because no, you can't be on air and say show off, say me two people and and he has to know.
So also my article a church and not say constitution a church say station B any point say which the party should invade in what they are doing.
No, it's wrong. You see, and I mean, because sometimes you feel he knows, but he doesn't know anything. Let me give him the correct quote of the law. Say, me a program. Now, I can write to the National Media Authority. Say, program where we they look into it. Let her now MPP try. They wrote it to the management saying, say, my program is entertainment, but saying I am political. Yeah, by the way, I am bashing government, we are not comfortable. And yes, what's the deal? It's any of my yes, so I couldn't near for any tobacco and marasso. Now, same way, me come here, am I wrong? I'm not holding brief for MPP. But me come here, am I wrong? It's up to you, the station, to decide that my show is purely entertainment. It's here from henceforth, all my politics, I'll even tell them to stop, but I can't, bring you on. Well, I dare way, okay, we are. Why am I saying, Jimmy? I said, I will come to your place. No, now my can't wait. Now who Aplus so buy you even read. I'm saying, bro, for one here. Or we are not time to team on air.
Oh, really?
Me too, one here because on here, doing we here. Go say MPP, as I'm not kind of, and yet one is out. A boomer bomb, my yellow papa consummate. No to be defending here. Are you saying, sir, Obi Bomia, I have no right to what? Defend myself? Sign a coffee. Sir, because you want the government is not doing what you want to criticize, the government should just stand there and look at you. No. The same way, okay. On no Aplus, and a TV show, a fair Schwarzenegger buy. Obia, what's why law? I will go through. I will say assembly cry or courts. A fear, the other party is not there. You were helping Efia to run the other party down. UTV, on my way here, Aplus will collapse their station. No, I'm telling you. Because, no, ever since that guy came on their way, I'm checking, it's been caught, and it's not even good for their image. So I said, so they need to do something about it. Make us someone permanent, but you need to check him. I know that you have a producer and a director. When somebody is going wrong, you need to check the person. Samasani, I can't hear Debbie. I had the Debbie. You need to set standards. Aplus can go on Joy and do this. They'll fire him, I'm telling you. They'll fire him. Oh, Kasakwe, and then they'll take the program off it. Now they be on Kassim said, Captain Smart, when he was at Adom, he never had a court case. Did he? Because they were controlling him. If you are court case upon court case, there's a difference between trying to contain somebody. You unleash the person, but you still contain him. It's not mean you are gagging the person and say, "Me cannot want to." But Aplus should know, say, certain remarks of his are appalling. What he would station is so an artist, up and coming artist, but running the person down, and you see nothing wrong with it. He sees nothing wrong. Meanwhile, it takes a lot of way to even give what confidence to someone to even sing on stage. It's you being an artist before. You be a big oh, my name is Adi. Let's say how you say about no, or tonight station so every artist down and nobody sees anything wrong with it. And then so I don't want to say no. I don't condone what the boys came to do. Never. But we should be able to tell Aplus in the eye that he has gone too far in certain things. He needs to control himself. When you be a same, it's all Kasa Samna, Hesa Sama making. Would it even be fair? To me, tonight, TV so yeah.
In conform who say a year NPP as a whole, they are becoming non because the moment I make a party now, people try to attack you. How do you see it?
It depends on how you are looking at it. The party as MPP always has the right to defend. NDC has the right to what? Defend. Now, I said to one my Oka, now insulted to the presidency. Me make us say because you can't insult them. But you see, you can't sabi and share ye behind both NDC and MPP. No yet. Sami Jenfi Jina was not or jumping for near budget or so. Your friend said, MPP can't hear on those. I brought you. No, so ja near budget or so. Not your mercy. Opening Sassit now, the presidency, and the soul and the symbol of Ghana. So whoever is on, you must respect him or her. America, you are too about your big go down and you are Joe Biden that. God, or Tiakunya be so. Sakunya represents the soul. If you catch up and you say he's foolish, it means you are foolish. Because he represents you. I say, Jai, met me, I can say, oh, woman, penny, when you are mom you. The way I say it all the time. Say the way I did anyway, I said, I'm good. A fair comment. But for me to insult the man, no. Bible said, who says, oh yeah, so leaders are. You face the consequences. Let's be real. Aplus is notorious for one thing. And me, I know why he is that. Because he my contracts. And do baby no different in him. And a bitterness in his heart. It's not like he's been righteous, so there you. He's fighting for. He was on one. Because of that contract. Meanwhile, the contract, you are not even doing it well. 80 or Kasama. On Kasam Senia Assembly. Man interested. It's one of the.
That's why they be Okasa or no, say NPP. Or can who be no year campaign. Say near maybe enquire. Once last day to send a point enya, and that's will be point enya, on to last no caso nanaya day. Nanaya didn't see no bitterness na contract being there when Yania dear. Obi's work as no one junior.
I will be on your opinion. But Aplus started so criticizing government, you know, the day I almost just have contract, you know, if it is he's a hypocrite. That day no sign contract in the that was when he saw what the wrongs of what the MPP.
Say I just contract.
And your open secret will be any Aplus bitterness in was stemmed out of that contract. I'm never saying don't criticize. No, you can't. Maybe say, me say na Ekufuado, me na me one of the strongest. Your friends say, will be a campaigner. But when he does what I tell, Master, no, and everybody who knows me on this platform knows say me can't. But it is wrong to insult an elderly person. I don't care the party the party the person belongs to. I don't care whatever. When you say wo, obetimi awo. Ghana ye ni so ade first na you so no. What you want to penny Java, so sorry, my penny in Tenase. And then I say, I have paid for my seat. And looking at you, 30, gone too soon.
Yeah, some lawyer Morris Ampao Eka was it over to resolve it as some UTV, over to because see no almost UTV and
yeah, because stations of
yes, but Kwame Plus the any day. Omunene en kind man say but UTV day. So we are wondering some we can and say they can resolve things. At the end I hear me no na we free say we go see we not back could you all they talk about it and now we feel that is it that UTV was scam?
No.
And Father Dixon name Dr. Pamela.
What we call posture. Abena, why am I there? You real? Oh, that didn't hear that we do good party. Make us a now, my grandma, one now said, oh, Papa, come here, a posture. One woman will say you are ready for the game. So I also bring it on. Incidents this year, I see our back of her. You see, Orchestra Bang, and I'm surprised they say he's educated. Also, back of her tax. No, don't you know that is a crime? Oh, yeah, my child. Yeah, process of and radio cocots. Once you tell say you brought tax.
So what's your no what say we no more but less than 30 minutes or the pick up theory by there's a boys what they
it just IGP A plus. Because you are also showing say you have the tendency to bring tax. I know behind I may say what the boys did, they are not correct, no. Once you catch and say you are capable of doing the same thing, what the boys, no, are you not the same? Are you not the same?
No prane, sample by no prane.
So maybe hold it. Uniho. Also uniho. What is a security war? As I see, no, Tesano police station, just a stone throw from B7. They came in swiftly. On by and then they arrested the boys. So what's the American say? It's Sabi and your way class in Ghana, so any power. But for you to say, even if it's in your head, but for you to say I'll bring tax and I call, what do you mean? We are not in a jungle. We are not in a lawless society. You can call anybody.
Or say
you can call your lawyer.
Yes, I didn't be
one. Ultimate threatening of Bia.
What the boys
may say, only boys Bia. When you Bia, what done a noom. What mean threatening of Bia? No, I'm telling you.
Sounds so being so threatening of which me I can say.
May say, ultimate threatening of Bia. Boys not by we have all condemned it. Silent and cross it needs to stop. So you being educated, you don't repeat that and tell them, say, I have boys. You have boys, so what? He has boys, so what?
So when they do that again,
they will beat him. When you have boys, they will beat you. May say you have boys, they will beat you. Who yeah, a front figure, somebody who speaks. Or because of be proud. And nothing like a campaign, no, you have a baby out. One now, baby, and our boys, do they follow you?
No.
Thank you.
But they are just a call away.
Now call me back now, or so be a time one or they didn't take you anymore. Come and you. Come and you, don't not provoke things and he can't say yet because he's not capable of doing it. Ultimately yet.
He's not capable.
They say Aplus when you focal. I'm telling you. Yeah, you saw so and then the Casabi and as our man so be Ghana. Who is he? Who is he? I'm also somebody. A Nippon or Castle, a foolish boy. He's also somebody. Someone you're penny. Now you're condemned. You also don't bring yours. And then you expect us to say we'll keep quiet on. That is double standards. Boys, and what they did was nonsense. Why should you go there? No. What's the people now? The MPP can take him to court. That's their right. They have no business going there. But A+2 has no business telling people, say, I call and that is fallacy. Ultimately,
Lawyer Morris Ampa Kasa na baby or Honor as a city bureau. May see me recommend Mama for agent say lawyer when you're serious.
Ampa will be a woman in the year, and I'm in the year. Medium in the year, was the mama, Satan, as a way careful. Nipadi on the walls, Casa or Serena, San Panisuru. You are in the last night of action, you never know. Time was not a would December number 2. Yes, will not be yard here. Now you expect him to be angry. There is at a mouse, Master. Because at that time, no, wouldn't him agree on for me. And a law was in the acre. I see UTV the minimum. And UTV the post channel, every craft for all you know. Father has called him, so Master, we are sorry and stuff like that. Behind the closed doors. A+ is what going to but you know, all I can come by you do quarter. In the Akakan more. Time now your friend for contempt of court. Or do or Koyak can so I come jelly. Your lawyers and judges no more. No. I never come with cheap. Say, watch that judges now you will do what I can debt and Jelino. Enti Amra, you could name him and Yakabensa. As some now, we all condemn what the boys did. And you absolutely no starter. Your time now, Ghana, do know. Me first I do a chum. Say you're massive boys. And who started Sayamawi? It started by Yachubi, no belonging to certain political party, no be edited. And yes, be any. One more come and face the law. Yeah, near the sir, near I said, oh, where I see me. Maybe this time. Now, boys, that's why I chum. And now I can. Yes. 16. Your procession for court. Esa obia de yes ya de. MPP about say omuni mo hwe boys no mo boys. Etu am Jimmy. Se say no omo na kwako face law no. And obia fa yes ya de say opani be from say ko ba bia say me maka don't go. Transfer do doc no. Ebe bo.
Yeah, maybe say we na ye dey akon next topic so. Obi be kasa lawyer for example. Or a lawyer, my NPP for
or a lawyer. I mean, well, are you also saying, only way, if I that NPP man, or defending mainly NDC for? So is he also an NDC man?
The entire maybe Sasa and such a man to me as a buyer. Or no deal in you, so what the move a chief, Yashua and Yaki. You heard a basic and cross our case. I have foolish. Oh, there are many foolish cases. That's our courts. So who is I say, well to me and chief Yashua?
No, and yet, China, but you know. But you see, behind the scenes, no, you never be because. What if say you can publicly, but behind the scene, my copy and will be a patch out, a crack who judge, a puncture. How would you know? Into my case, be beyond us, because.
To come A+ a pen from or patch or
A+ they have to deal with him once because and your more and yeah, and it's becoming unbecoming of him. It's high time somebody should shut him up and tell him say he doesn't have too much sense like that. He feels he has, but he doesn't have too much like that. He should be humble. If he has humility. And now, Penny Because I say, Sakolano only entertain pa, and you're not becoming will become TV so. Oh, those someone tell me some camera. Also, need to see a part. It means that what actions 1 or 2 before are watching you, and you good signal. See, I can't say who need to see a part.
Who's a gun now? Who is saying?
May come again, but me go here. There's a difference between arrogance and being straightforward. Suddenly, you're confusing.
Or no one is so straightforward.
Or you're straightforward, or you're arrogant. Or you're arrogant. It means that you can't be a straightforward. Met me, I am oh, director, where are you one year you? Met Sansa, I'm doing, oh, I'm poor. I didn't be my name. I'm sorry. I'm straightforward, but I'm principled. My game will fear. But arrogance means, baby, crime in inside the end, my phone, now me defending. What was it, paper? You started the whole thing, and you're still defending. Say, I can make a tax grab.
But send people from our red college. NPP.
So has Kwame Aplus to render apology? Of course, they have. And then the you see, on Weno, I think youth whatever, he came straight onto the show and said they are not part of it.
They are not part of it.
So why can't you Aplus to render? Say, Titimno, I didn't do what? And then the way I make said, and Weno, yeah, meaning. You understand? It takes a bold and brave man to say I'm sorry. And he doesn't have that because he's a coward.
Being a brave man, sorry.
Yes. The opposite of brave.
No.
Because you are to say I have wronged. And yes you. But a man a more credibility, a queen. Because somebody said no, I call it a formal bay. The next time more customer stabby. Guy already a some more canoe. Why, yeah, no, a formal because I form. And that makes you credible. But what the idea? All anyway in crowd. All the time, say we are not all defending action, not any. If you actually say, but also, Obesrobi. If you say, as a Usradi as Obeniache. Usradi and one being Ejuma. I'm telling you, Obesrobi. Time remember or Kanika or Becca Kobia, Yankana. Now, when I was on Makujinam Rananoa, I feel go for a moment for Beyonce, deal with the window issue. When you need by, don't just say, do things your way, no Biaga, and a year. Even you are a brand person. Watch on you who are brand Kaka. They say, yeah, ye, brand menu now. Are you a politician or what?
No, he's a politician.
And yes, when you're ready for the attacks. Yeah.
And some now director Ben Bruce Wakano near Kwame Aplus home come was say I will join him. Me patcho which read our comment section. I say a dear any year can and I send someone trendy and not trendy that I know. Dear when and I won't say and now who was a adventure who wait to me at our comment section. I say ye free a year Kwame Aplus and some not ye call Israel. And someone is you honor just say, war be near dear judge, she be an it be a toto, or be said Israel in here empire, only here bombs, missiles, nature, so only a year Juma because it's a empire. Most who adventure anything, you go her video way and buy a buyer and come on ever to us.
Crispy! Ya ni ọmọ ni pé de be si anta ya ho. Na me Ghana card o. Be de shemu. Crispy. It's not me. Sorry. Kasa baby. Me go find the wife and me who say na me go find the wife. Me bag in your academy. Me go find way. Me go find way. What was it? I'm a fraud. What was it? Then I almost be out on the solar. Fake. Another dine on Abra Webino. One, me bag one in your way. But I'll bag you when I would just see. Bag you when I would just see. I'm on my case. I know what's in Ban on Genomo. Not a winner who are. Not so young who are. I don't know if you're not. You know, make my dummy mouth. When I get, I can't be the baby to me for Kogana. I could be an so. That when I go for the passport. I just want to Ghana card while I do. Não me afashe. Bibiano. Bopo, makuma mbrafo. Bopo. fermé les portes. Oh mon Dieu, la peur.
N'aie pas peur, n'aie pas peur, n'aie pas peur.
On a entendu un boum.
Il y a un boum, il y a la télé.
Voilà, on a entendu un boum et on voit. Oh mon Dieu.
Oh là, tu vas angoisser maman.
Vas-y, mets-toi. Ils ont fermé les portes. Oh mon Dieu, la peur. Voilà,
N'aie pas peur, n'aie pas peur, n'aie pas peur.
on a entendu un boum.
Il y a un boum, il y a la télé.
Voilà, on a entendu un boum et on voit. Oh mon Dieu.
Said their video no air corner na say Ghana for any tente mo enya sepetwa enye easy obi nto wa na wunhu bi da obeka so they are just joking ya wa hanum say na Ukraine any Russian for a certain to say ya na say America na agutu sisi ade Israel NHS say bibi say esi ya ko kai Eric and Ponsa comment. Also, my question here is, what was the root cause of the whole case? You guys sent in the derogatory letter to the show. He responded, "Who are you guys now begging a fight? Lawyer Ampao, you are wrong." Theophilus also said the elephant is already in the bush with NPP. I
don't care if he's even in the water. I don't belong to it. I don't.
The elephant.
Yeah, I'm just. On Aplus, you should tone down.
Okay.
Yeah,
and no any in some way in Crawford. Actually, but actually that's some mujina so na yakoshe video no aba. We be bisa say e dey and the koso ewo Israel.
There were two groups. Your Palestinian, and Palestine the Bible. I'm feeling say where Israel is their land. Israel is to move out. Israel also feel say during the Bible times now that was their land. Yeah, that's it. But historically, in conform more Israel see, and not the real Israelis.
Okay.
When you mean war nearby, in conform be import from by Israel, but they claim that's their land. In here war, I'm militia, because I'm militia, Babunoa, Afa Kuma, said we almost go for a course. Your Hezbollah. Omomo Lebanon and I Hamas. Say Hamas no control the Palestinian community. Now and to quite along the line Oman to cast skirmishes biaba. But last week without warning, no throwing about 1,000 missiles into Israel. Oman could go for about 800. And Israelis, Oman Chichibibre, I almost say, Omo use so much human shield. Israel will be a Okokana no aka to kwakesi na me hu say omo is strategic enough because yen na nim say Hezbollah and Hamas no omo being sponsored by Iran. Now Iran doesn't really want to get into war with Israel at this time. Until Hezbollah and Hamas no Hezbollah kwa omo to maybe but Hamas na omo na feel say now you see wakokana to kwakesi to see Israel and then I'm a player yet almost sending ground troops. I'll make you collapse Hamas. Uncle Asidia, which means your objectives of going in was not true. But yeah, you had ye one. Pushing Obia, or to the Bempah, maybe one. Occupation of Palestine, to me, is wrong.
How?
Historically, that is their land.
Okay.
Into almost year when you come to marketeer, Mom said this is the portion for Palestine. Israel, almost truly as almost settlement or I went to their land. It's just a share so.
Okay.
What I say? Into all this one, no, Hamas, no, almost say you be free and call for. That's the whole act. It's a say, no, Hamas, you almost say, yeah, you need Israel for Kona, ya Pamoma fee, baby or my soul. Then you are also there. Only backed by the war powers in 2 years and that's a matter. So what is going on there is critical. Critical because Iran didn't know Jim. Now Hezbollah didn't know Jim. I have full regional war. Because America will come and support Israel. UK can come and support Israel. Bempah, Iraq, Jordan, and other regions to come and support Iran. Russia is waiting on the fence because Russia and that fully part in Syria. Since Syria joining war now, Russia will join.
Yeah.
So indirectly, America and Russia will be fighting, and that's what we don't want. Not at this time.
At this time.
Yeah.
Yes, Ghana for almost well to use a lot here in our brain.
Back, so or in the back.
I said, I make us say lot here in our brain. I said, wash any near my wager when the China, yes, me winning. When you're quite just say after why you pay soup.
Yeah.
Would you know bag?
And you need pursue any papa. Yeah, very materially. Things that way, but and what is paramount. Nyami yenjo akache lot yire ne so wonko. No nim say lot yire no a material person. To bet me crack say e mirror fi meja no bi ama. Ono mu na akra ba. Wan hwe ya no mu na bo. So as mamu hwe machi. Now the main reason that make us. If you actually too material stuff, you die. Because your life is more important. Yet me a free one. Done quick. I take you Senachu. Make time we out. We confirm the passports. And no net. Because I carry footballer who Ghanaian one confirm passport be a store. Ghanaian, you bet me where you are. And sometimes no, as much as a year say be an your pre and you're playing your contract.
No, I say unya kwani bia. Na fe wure fi say uhia material things. Because anka eja na ebu and e make can say eja na e show. And I say dan na ebu so a. Wo beka say unya won kwa kra na. I
say do ba bia. And no say na you have no way out. But when I say meet me quickly. Saturday we come for we. Ade bi say so ma me kwa na me for ma ade. You die. Call. Okwa sebe nyame na hwede ba nyame be hwa sometimes no ya fasa de ntu yetim se BBC a my kase mkofa bibi jeti o say ni pan kwa dia kwa na kofa but material way dia don't take it na wo obi say your friend is said they are not Iraq ne Russian front up and who plead say government embrace no on rescue Ghanaians Ukraine and Russia at those times. Sana omo Israel so Ghana for when you said your whole country out to say almost supposed to make this buy embra before one. Nancy buy embassies to other countries when you be say a responsibility of buying so be making sure say omo they should be safe and secured. America said secret so America ni back because every time you are no embassy no they are quick to what react. Ghana make any baby who are after that Yabakana Muibima. We know and see much we cry the Ghanaian embassy in Iran, Israel, so that you can keep them safe there. One is where you can celebrate in your mother Ghana. But for now, war in year and day, and then it's Netanyahu or said the war has just begun and you wipe them out into war Israel and now be Israel, my name. Mati says Ghana for be say Oma obe Bragana Ghana yede na yentra simple. Obi say wo kokra ne ka cho say kokra nka still na obe ka say Ghana den we me ko. Oh, and we learn about different cultures and different media to there's nothing wrong with it. Asam wo ha na beto wo beto. Obi wo ha asam atono. Ye kra de nso keto ye to yi. Ejiri madam fu bi se ejiri no ejiro me yama ni. Nti wo ha na beto beto. Anto
ye heard Israel said your mama ko say mo Bible mo. Obi say your mom pay your ma Israel. Ufu said they need prayers and I say omu hunya weapons, omu hunya missiles.
Israel nuclear nation. They have nuclear weapons already. And then I almost say weapons because America they are basically so they have access to it. Israel does not really need weapons. What the world needs now is prayer. Because Ukraine, Russia, Israel anyway, we don't need war. We need peace now. That's what we need.
Okay, we need peace now. And to what we busia ewo Israel no niema bi o ha wo hu a wo bedwen say oh a old video and as say na sem bi mu ye hu say yes Arab porn baby bi sa video bi cover viral bi so a old video am there me hu she Saudi either Saudi or UA as a UA from Dubai for no and bibisa now perform do say old video but see ane de nsam na ekoso we busuani e wo Israel na wa ma na ada ne ho so ana wa boaboa ne ho se de be ya yente asembo ne bia many director Ben Bruce and twetwe nkomo ne nsam a waka Aplus de any UTV ne more sample de na waka nyina bom aye ne baako na nsam a ekoso so ana war ekoso e wo Israel ono so wa chirechire mu pa yi a wa wonti ase ana obehu se video ni cover viral obebisa se de na ekoso e rapture na e war na e de no director Ben Bruce wa chirechire ni nyina mu amanti ase aye duma aha too much it midi e de abna pretty mini director Ben Bruce and twetwe for e de dwumadi no abawie ye